Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you enable the File Explorer tabs feature in Windows 11 22H2. As we all know, a lot of features of Windows 11 are not appear in the Windows 11 22H2 update. One of them is tabs in File Explorer. Basically, it is disabled by default. So, we have to enable it. So without any further ado, let's get started. To enable the tab feature in File Explorer, first, we have to download a command line tool called vivetool. It is a tool which allows us to enable or disable Windows core features. To download it, open any web browser, search for vivetool, and hit enter. Open this GitHub link. Now download this zip file here. After the download got finished, open the file location. Here you have to extract it. Right-click on it and click on Extract. Now copy this path. Click on the Start menu, search for CMD, and run it as administrator. Now type CD space and paste the path here. Then you have to enter to commands here. Don't worry, these commands are given in the description, so you can easily copy and paste them here. Enter the commands one by one. Now close this tab. Then you have to restart your computer. Let's restart. After the restart, let's see in File Explorer, here you go. You have tabs in File Explorer. This was how you can enable tabs feature in File Explorer of Windows 11 22H2. I hope this video was helpful. If so, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, set the bell icon to all. If you have any doubts or problems, leave them in a comment below. Thanks for watching.